A person who attacks or criticizes cherished beliefs of institutions. Iconoclast. A person with strong desire or steal. Kleptomania. A group of stars that forms a shape in the sky and has a name. Constellation. Lasting for a very short time. Ephemeral. A person who suffers from an imaginary illness. Hypochondriac. A person pretending to be somebody he is not. Hypocrite. A military structure where arms and ammunition and other military equipment are stored. Arsenal. A man who knows a lot about things like food, music, and art. Connoisseur. A short speech at the end of a play. Epilogue. A person who believes that all events are predetermined or subject to fate. Fatalist. An assembly of worshippers, a group of people who have come together in a religious building for worship and prayer. এটা হবে congregation. A keeper or custodian of a museum or other collection. Curator. That through which light cannot pass. Opaque. The scientific study of skin diseases. Dermatology. Violation of something holy or sacred. Sacrilege. To give up one's authority or throne. Abdicate.